Welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I will show you how to turn on active on Instagram. So, if you open your Instagram app, as you can see here on your screen, now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then here on your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then you will go here on Settings and Privacy. So once you tap this one under Settings and Privacy, you're going to go right here on Messages and Story Replies. And then tap this Show Activity Status. So from here, you have two options. You can show activity status right there and the show when you're active together. So if you want to turn on the show activity status here, saying that allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. So you just have to turn this on, and then at the bottom, show when you're active together. Allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you're both active in the same chat. You'll also be able to see when they're active in the same chat. So when you turn this off, you can't actually turn on this second option. But if you turn that on, you can just turn off the show when you're active together, or you can just turn this on so all of your followers will find that you're active on your Instagram. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.